Alright mateys, tonight we're going to do a very simple grilled shrimp, but grilled shrimp with basil and garlic from some of the fresh basil that I've been growing. Here's all we're going to need and how we do it. Well, of course we're going to need shrimp. Now I've got a pound of shrimp that I've cleaned and deveined, a couple cloves of garlic, salt and pepper, not quite half a cup of oil, couple slices of onion, and then some basil leaves. So we put all that into the food processor here. This is almost like a pesto. So now we have everything blended up. We're just going to soak our shrimp in this for about, well, at least a half hour, maybe a little bit longer. And then we're going to go out to the grill and finish it off. Now you could put this on skewers to grill it. I'm going to use a perforated skillet for grilling. You'll see how that works. It works out really good. So now we'll let that soak and I'll see you out at the grill. Alright guys, it's time to grill the shrimp. What I'm going to serve with it is a basic rice pilaf that I make with the white rice, brown rice, jasmine rice, and wild rice. I'm going to cook that out here. I'm going to grill some corn with it, and then we're going to grill the shrimp in a nice little perforated pan. I'll show you how that works. Well, as you can see, I've got my corn grilling here. That's just about ready to go. I put the pan on here to get it a little warm before we add the shrimp. And here's our shrimp. Now this may flare up a little bit because of the oil, but that's all right. Now this is not going to take long to cook at all. We do it just like as if we were sauteing it in a saute pan. I'm going to cover this for a few minutes. Well, let's take a check on things. It's been about 3 minutes. I'm moving some of the corn to the upper grill, and you see how nice our basil and garlic is sticking to that. And before I put that into our bowl, which I cleaned and washed because we don't want raw juices mixing with the cooked juices. Oh, this is it guys, we're ready. I'm going to dish this up. I'll meet you back at the boat for dinner. And there we have it guys. Grilled basil and garlic shrimp, grilled corn, and risotto. Until next time, happy and safe boating to you, your family, and friends, and bon appetit.